What is up? What's happening?
और मैंने ढेर सारा काम और काम भी इतना अलग अलग तरीके का हो रहा है दैट इट्स एक्साइटिंग इट्स कीपिंग मी बिजी इन अ गुड वे
ठीक है क्या टाइप का काम हो रहा है आजकल?
South, of course. I've been doing Telugu films since a while, so that. Then we have recently finished shooting and dubbing for Bloody Ishq, which is Vikram Bhatt जी
हाँ
की जो
जी.
फिल्म है. गाना अभी अभी जो people are going crazy about. So there's a lot happening, which is
Talk to us
very
about the song.
different.
How did Andre Russell come into the picture and you've made him do some...
I think it was always him and his idea with Palash, and it was them creating this. I was the one who entered last minute, and
Okay.
I was the one who was shocked. ये उसकी आवाज़ है, ये वो गा रहा है. So these were my questions to Palash, and I'm glad I'm a part of this because ये बहुत exciting है. I mean, a cricketer of his level trying to do something so different, and it's interesting. I
Right.
mean, जब मुझे पता चला, I did not believe. I kept asking Palash, like, are you sure he's the one you're talking about? I sent him the link, like, ये वाला बंदा. So he said, yeah. And even at shoot, everybody around was just thinking कि ये कैसे करेगा, क्योंकि it's different. Him wearing a lungi and, you know, making all of those mass expressions and all of that. It's
Right.
different for somebody like him. So he was happy. He was having fun. So everybody got
You were there
excited.
for the recording of the song as well? Like when he recorded the song?
No. I heard, I think before the shoot, I heard the final audio and I was like, मुझे तो believe ही नहीं हुआ कि उन्होंने गाया है because उतना strong accent नहीं था. It was very nicely done, like a Hindi song and exciting. And ऊपर से obviously the female voices by Palak, and Palak, these voices you can, वो दूर से भी ऐसे समझ आते हैं कि ये उनकी आवाज़ है.
Of course.
So I was excited. I've been doing songs with her voice around in my films and also उनके साथ, तो I was excited, but when it came to him and his voice, थोड़ा shocking तो मेरे लिए भी था.
But talk to us about the entire, like, give us insight into the BTS of the shooting
It
of the
was
song.
fun. It was so
बताओ
much
कुछ
fun.
exciting बताओ आंडी रसल के बारे में.
मेरे डैड इससे पहले कभी मेरे किसी शूट के लिए इतना एक्साइटमेंट मैंने उनकी आंखों में कभी नहीं देखा.
ठीक है.
दिस वाज द फर्स्ट वन वेयर माय डैड वाज लाइक कि मुझे BTS भेजना, मुझे दिखाना वो
Is
कैसे
he
दिख
a
रहा है.
Andre Russell fan or a cricket fan?
Cricket fan, of course, and
हाँ.
Andre Russell has been performing very well and people know about him, and पापा को देखना था कि मैं उसके साथ दिखती कैसी हूँ.
अच्छा.
Because he's a giant, like
Yeah.
6'3", and you know, like really good body and all of that. So Papa was like, how? I said, let me go try. But yeah, they made me look like mature with sari and all of that, so it worked out. But my dad was very excited. Not just my dad, my cousins, and जैसे ही वो पहला पोस्टर बाहर आया, इतने मैसेजेस फैमिली और रिलेटिव से कभी नहीं मिले मुझे जितना इस बार मिले. But yeah, I think that excitement is the reason people are liking it, and I think it's also shocking to see somebody not, you know, doing this regularly and suddenly coming up with something so shocking. It's just exciting to see that.
कुछ सेट से बताओ, कुछ मस्ती या कुछ गुफा पगर हुआ हो तो. Because
बहुत बार हो रहा
this
था.
show is about stories. तो अगर आपके पास जितने भी कहानियां हैं सब हम मतलब हम ट्राई करेंगे.
So हमारी जो ये गाने की शूट हुई थी वो एक ऑल नाइटर थी because he was traveling from Kolkata after the match and मुंबई वाली मैच के एक दिन पहले, and this was very last minute, और पूरी रात हमने शूट किया था और बहुत सारे लोग as expected नींद में और डल और ऐसे सब होते. But I think the minute he entered the set, there was a different vibe completely because everybody just looked at him with so much of awe in their eyes that, oh my God, it's him on the set. And at one point so to be very honest, I do not watch cricket. और मुझे जब अप्रोच भी किया था इसके लिए, मैंने बहुत सवाल पूछे थे because I did not really know who the person is.
Okay.
और
This is
मुझे
interesting. This is very interesting. Because you not knowing Andy Russell and then
I mean, yeah.
going and shooting
And
with
now
him.
I know a
Of
lot.
course.
Like now, even through Instagram, I kind of understood a lot, and Google, of course, helped me give the general knowledge that I should have.
ठीक है.
But yeah, on the set, I think the highlight would be जब हमने उनका birthday cake काटा, and please, I think the fans are going to really, the cricket fans are going to really not like this. But जब उनका केक काट रहे थे and I was trying to go closer, there's a video, okay, which has gone viral, that I'm trying to go closer to the cake and just see how the cake is. But actually मैं नाम पढ़ रही थी क्योंकि मैं गाते गाते नाम भूल गई थी suddenly, and for a second I was like, और असद हैप्पी बर्थडे. I just went blank for a second, but I think उसके अलावा I think I just kept asking him a lot of questions about, are you enjoying this, like are you having fun, because there were so many things we made him do, like वो मैं ठुमका लगा रही हूँ और वो अपना ऐसे सर हिला रहा है मेरे कमर के पास.
वो ठुमका नहीं लगा रहे?
Of course लगा रहा है, but you know he's trying to, you know, play with his shirt and all of that. It was very new to him and he was
Right.
just having fun, and I kept asking him like, are you good, like everything is fine, and he said, yeah, I'm having fun, this is crazy. So good to see that reaction.
But I'm sure, like, we've heard so much about people from the West Indies and especially cricketers, right? They're so chill in a
Yeah,
way
yeah,
that
yeah.
they enjoy their dance, they enjoy their cricket so much. So was there a specific requirement from him कि नहीं, I need this or I don't need this or whatever?
Nothing, yeah. He was such a chill person to work with, and because he was doing something like this professionally for the first time, personally,
Right.
of course, he must have partied and he must have done all of that mass dancing and South Indian गाने और उस tunes पे ये सब किया होगा. But professionally, because he was doing it for the first time, he was a little conscious about the choreography and will it look good on his body, because he's not like a professional dancer or an actor, but he was really trying his best to, you know, make it look convincing, and he was practicing again and again. Even the lip sync part, he was like, you know, trying to get it right, and it was interesting to see him work really hard. And यार इतने लोग थे ना हमारे सेट पे, उनके सामने अगर उनको बोलते ना आप क्रिकेट खेलो तो वो उनके लिए इजी है. जैसे कि मेरे लिए वो बहुत इजी है कि चलो नाचना है, चलो एक्टिंग करनी है, बट फॉर अ पर्सन लाइक हिम हु इज़ डूइंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड उनका खुद का गाना है, एंड टू मेक इट ऑल लुक रियली फन एंड हैप्पी, ही रियली वर्कड हार्ड, एंड दैट क्रेडिट हैज़ टू गो टू हिम.